We're going to show you how to pull an Armada door panel. I think this is an 05. You only really need two of these things. One is you're going to need a 10 millimeter socket. Can be deep, short, whatever. I just like using the deep one. And then you're going to need either like a pick or a small flathead. Door panel puller would be great if you have it. If you don't, you can just use a flathead. And the pick, really a straight little pick, works great on some of the small covers like this. So we're going to go ahead and show you. We're going to go over to the door panel. Here's the door panel. There's going to be a panel right here and a panel right there. If you want to get a close-up on that and show where the little notches are. There's a little notch right here and then a little notch right there. You're going to need those to pop those off pop the lids off. So we'll start, and the reason the pick works well is because it keeps it from damaging the door panel. So you take that off. You can also use a Phillips head. If you get in there, you can see the Phillips heads will also work. So you take the two bolts out. You'll probably want to be more careful with your bolts, but we're not putting this back together. So then you'll take this one off, get in there, and just pop it off. There's another one, and then and then behind here there's another one. So you just get in here and pop that out. Then after that, what we're going to want to do is you got to pull the master switch out. And you're going to want to start from the back side. Just unplugs. These picks are really handy. I recommend using a pick, especially on a cold day like today. And then the door panel should basically come on. What you can do is you can just put it in here and you just start popping these little tangs out. So you can use a flathead too. So just get the flathead, get it behind the door panel, and you just start popping it. And you go to the other side. Pop it. And then it comes off. Now to get the actual door panel off, you have to come over here. So you're gonna have this clip. Can you get in there? And you're gonna want to you right here. You just pop that out, and it slides up. And then here for the handle over here, same thing. You just pop that out, and it slides out. And then down, the last thing is this light. It's right here. Just pop it out. You just slide it up. So what we'll do is we'll use that pick. There. These are what you're popping off, these little, when you're using the door, these are what you're trying to pop out of the door. But that's how you take off a door panel on
05 Armada.
Yeah, 05 Armada.